Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our review of this TECNO Spark Go 1. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, so we are going to unbox this smartphone here in our channel, and this is the TECNO Spark Go 1. So as you can see guys, we have here the 128 gigabytes of ROM, and then plus 6 gigabytes of RAM. So it's actually like 3 gigabytes of it's just extended. And we have here Spark Go 1. So we have here 4.5G network, 120 gigahertz in 67-inch smooth display, and it also has infrared remote control. Okay, so without further ado guys, let's open the box. Okay, so we have here, right, so here is the product itself. Let's see what's we have here. The charging adapter. Also we have here the clear case, here this one, and there's also the cable, and then they also have here the 12 plus 1 months warranty from TECNO. Okay, let's see here our Spark Go 1. So let's take this one out. Yeah, it's more like re-unboxing guys, because I've used this one for a couple of weeks, and so far this Android phone is really nice. It's really giving its purpose, and let me highlight you the good features that I think I really like. So the first one guys is the UI. So the iOS UI, it's really nice because it's very fast. They're Android before, but they're kind of laggy, but this one is also great. Yes, so because of the 120 hertz rate. Okay, and by the way, at the back, so you have here your 13 megapixel main camera, and this one guys is like the IR blaster. I've actually used this one whenever you have to turn on your TV, so and then you don't have a remote. So this IR blaster here, it's really great. And then at the back, so I have here guys the white color, and I like the design, and it has this kind of texture. It's more like a matte finish, and for the price it's really great, and also it's really lightweight. Although it's lightweight, but it's kind of give you that premium looking phone. Okay, and what else, I've actually tested the camera, and surprisingly the camera is also nice, and even the video I've actually posted. If you want to check, I've actually used the camera of or the for shooting with my other product review, which is the Vention. So that one was actually taken by the TECNO Go 1. Yes, and also guys, another key feature that I like about this product is the battery life. So I can charge this one for around like almost 2 hours, and it has this, you know, the bad full charge, and I can really use this one guys for like a day with data and kind of extreme usage. So it can really last you for a day guys, for a heavy usage. And another thing is the price. It's really reasonable for around 4,000 pesos. This one is a really must-have smartphone for your kid, or if you're someone who wants to be really practical and you don't want to shell lots of money, then this TECNO Spark Go 1 is really a great buy. Guys, if you're interested and if you want me to test more about this product, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so if you have any questions guys, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.